HHP's ex-partner Lerato Khanye died of natural causes, report. While those close to Lerato Khanye, HHP's ex-girlfriend, and the mother of their son has called for privacy and have not officially divulged details of her sudden death on Monday, it's being reported that she died of natural causes. According to SOAN, a close source said Lerato fell ill about a week ago and had died at Helen Joseph Hospital. The news came as a devastating blow for HHP and Lerato's 13-year-old son, Lino, who is still mourning the death of his dad. HHP took his own life on October 24 after a lengthy battle with depression. Sambo family spokesperson Mpulul Konkana confirmed Lerato's death to Chwisa Live on Monday but said he was not at liberty to speak about the details or comment on how Lino was coping. He asked that the family be afforded privacy to deal with the loss. SOAN source said Lino had been away from school since HHP's death and was in counseling to help cope with the grief. While Lerato and the late hip-hop star were co-parents to Lino, they weren't romantically involved for years. Jabba was traditionally married to publicist Lerato Senjati. Ever since news of Lerato's death emerged, fans have joined hands in prayer for Lino.